Hello there. Today I made a flashcard program. Here we have it. So you see the word, then after 3 seconds it shows the backside and it says if I know it, it will just go to new word, and if I don't know it, it will go to new word, and if I know it, it will remove it from the list and then take a random word, or new random word as well. So let's start with the beginning. First, I just made the UI. So I have, of course, my window, my title, and then normal basic stuff. A button, I have an image on the button, bam, bam. So the buttons, the hard part for me, well, a brain farted, was this part. I tried to make titles of these and they have a background and you can't remove it in Tkinter. And after 30 minutes, I remember, well, we made a Pomodoro timer and there it didn't have a background. And as it shows, you can just write on the canvas. So yeah, the title and the word are written on the canvas. So here, title text, card.create text, bam, bam. Now, after that, after making this UI, I had to start making the functions. So in the beginning, I actually start with making the new words. Or no, we can go this first. Let's see how I imported data. We have this one, my Finnish top 100, which I made. I want to learn Finnish, so that's it. Sorry about this base data to the left. I was too lazy to remove it when I made my Google Sheet, so, but it doesn't matter. I can just not use it. So here I import the data as panda read CSV. We can actually skip this part here and just go to this. So I read the Finnish top 100. I make it into a dictionary, and we will get into that part later as well. And I will make a word dictionary. So each random word that I take is a small little dictionary, because in that small little dictionary I have the base data, the Finnish, and the English. So yeah, after that I moved into the flip cards back and forth. So I started with flipping the card back. In this part, you needed to change the image, so from white to the green part, and I have the two. It's just two images, so you just change the image to the card back. So we can actually bring forth that. So I have the card front and the card back. So we just switch from the front to the back. That's it. Then I have another function, but we'll see that later. Then I change the title text to English and I make the text white. Then I also make the text white for the word. So now I flip the card. So let's look at the translate word, which is here. So here I take the global scopes, word dictionary, and learning dictionary. I make it into an English word because I have my word dictionary and I just want the English part of it. And then I change the text, the word text, to my English word. Not more advanced than that. Then I moved on to a new random word. And to do that, I first needed to flip the card to the front, which I also made a function for. So it goes back to the original style, white and black letters. So white card, black letters. And I'll make, and yeah, that's it. So I get, let's see, yeah, word dictionary random choice. Yeah, so it flips to the front. And it changes to the word that I want. I don't think I actually need this. Wait, let's just see what happens if I do this. It was here. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, I need it. Oh yeah, because this thing here changes the front text to the word I want, the Finnish word. But this new random one changes that word to random choice. So a new word, and of course changes it to Finnish. And after 3 seconds, it flips to the back again. So that's it. But then we have, okay, so that's like how the left button works. I have my, yeah, it changes. I don't know where it changes to a new word. Goes back, bam, bam, bam. So this green button then, which should save or remove the words that I know. That works a bit differently. So I have this save word function. So I get my globals. I remove just that part from the learning dictionary. So from everything, I remove the word that I had on my card. I make a data frame of it from my learning dictionary, and I make it into a CSV file called words to learning. And I remove my indexes, so it's not unnecessary numbers. And then I generate a new random word. So every time I press the green one, it should remove a word from here. So let's see here. It's 100 words long. Press that one. Let's see here. It. Why isn't it removing now? Or is it not? Hey. Oh, yeah, it's removing. So every time I press the green button, it removes it from this new CSV file words to learn. And now it comes to this part here. So in the future then, if I want to practice the words I don't know, we need to first try to open the data as panda.read words to learn CSV. And then it will make the same process again. So, and if it doesn't exist, it will just take the finished top 100. Not harder than that. That is the whole program. And now I can move into what I got stuck on for a long time. I tried to do this without making dictionaries from the data. I just tried to change the data on the fly while it was still open. It doesn't work. We just refresh. So every time I remove a word, that word will disappear, but the word I removed before that will get back. So I had to spend very long time on this. because I'd made it work for a short time, but I don't remember how. And I got very frustrated, and yeah, I didn't get it to work again. But I remember the teacher told us she had a tip to use dictionaries, so I just had to change to it because yeah, I didn't get this to work, which I'm kind of disappointed because I got it to work in the beginning. And then for some reason I changed some little thing and it just stopped working. But yeah, now I'm gonna learn Finnish here and have a nice time. So thank you for listening and have a good one.